In this video, let me show you how to make your Android device faster without a factory reset. Welcome back everyone to a new video. Now there are two major things that you can do in this situation. Let me show you the way on how you do it. So for this, you'll need to head over to the settings on your device, head over to about phone, and you simply need to tap 7 times on the version or the build number that you would be able to see for your device. As soon as you do it 7 times, the developer mode will be enabled, and as soon as you do that, you just need to head over to additional settings, and right here you should be able to see the option called developer options. Now within developer options, you need to scroll down until you come across these options, which is window animation, transition animation, as well as the animator duration. So in this situation, what you need to do is set them all to 0.5 instead of the 1x. So by default, all of these would be set to 1x. You simply need to set it to 0.5. So make sure you do that quickly. And once you complete this step, the second thing that you can also do is restrict the background application. From the developer settings again, you can scroll down further until you see the section of background process limit. So within the background process limit, you should be able to see the option called standard limit by default. So you need to select either the at most 3 process or the at most 4 process. This stops the idle applications from draining your resources. So you can simply do these two things. You should be able to make your Android device much faster. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.